Just another morning in Egmont National Park. Waterfall in every dream, cool and crystal clear. It falls gently on the sleeper, cleansing the mind and smoothing the soul. Spectacular view of Mount Taranaki from the Holy Heart. Today we are going to start from the Holy Hut to a Puakai hut. So today's hiking is about 4.5 kilometers and approximately 2 to 3 hours. After leaving Holy Hut, within 5 minutes we reach Puakai crossing. After that, track gradually return to the Akakawakawa track junction and follow the broad walk across the Akakawakawa swamp.
We've just left the Holy Hut and we are now heading towards the next hut, that is
Puakai hut.
So today's hiking it will be very less.
This area is a wetland while there is a broad walk, except water and mud on the track in the places. After walking for half an hour, we reach Interpretive Station along the broad walk and the swamp. This is described as nature's kidney. After crossing the headwaters of the Stony River, Hangatua, the track ascends a ridge through Mountain Cedar to reach the Puakai track. Turn left here to take a 1 hour 30 minutes turn detour to Puakai Trig.
It's day 3 in Mount Taranaki hiking. We are going to Pukekohe hut and we can see the sun is out there. It's an awesome weather now. I think so. The rain has taken a break and it will be an awesome fun going ahead. It is just up and up, guys. Continuously hiking since 20 minutes and I think so there is no any halt to take a break now. The one thing I have observed is there are a lot of rats in this national park, as there are a lot of rat catching traps and there is always an egg inside. So we have just completed the first milestone of our day 3 Mount Taranaki hiking, especially the Pukekohe track hiking, and the road divides in 3 ways now. The road which is coming from the Holy Hut, which we came from this side, and now this track leads to Pukekohe hut, and the track behind me leads to Pukekohe summit. So especially we are not planning to do any summit treks now because it's very hectic, and so we will be going to a Pukekohe hut and we will be staying there today for one night.
Once you go in Puakai hut, make the use of canister and burner to cook the food. There is a fireplace in the hut to keep you warm. Once you settle in Puakai Hut, you're 10 minutes away from the dance, where you see the reflection of Mount Taranaki.
So we are at a place called Rua Hamakau. This is a beautiful place actually. Here we can see the beautiful scenic view of Mount Taranaki, but unfortunately the things are spoiled and it's a stormy weather today, and we can't able to see a Mount Taranaki in the this rainy and stormy weather. And I will show you the difference between reality and expectation.
Mount Taranaki is a spiritual significant. According to the Maori lord, Taranaki once lived with other North Island volcanoes that was vanished after falling in love with Tongoriro's wife Tihanga. The assumptions are that Taranaki is hiding his tears when the cloud covers the mountains. Maybe it was not a lucky day for us today, but one day may the roads rise up to meet you.